This is it right here, Banh Xeo right here. Look at this. OMG, I like. I'm telling y'all, after standing over there for a minute, it feels like my eyebrows are burning off. But we're at Banh Xeo. You definitely want to come here. What they're calling the crepe, the Banh Xeo right here. Let's check it out. It's like they're calling them Vietnamese crepes. There's shrimps in there, there's sprouts inside. I don't know if y'all can see it, but let's break it open for y'all. Look at this shit. This is what I thought I was eating before and I wasn't, but we're about to definitely get down now. Look at that, bro. Look at that. That looks good right there. Well, that's serious, y'all. That's too much for me to eat, but I'm going for it. I don't care what y'all say. I'm telling y'all, after standing over there for a minute, it feels like my eyebrows are burning off. It's like hot, heat, fire, delicious smells, man. And down there is the Pink Church and my coffee spot on the corner. I'm almost tempted to go get some more coffee from there, y'all. But we're at Banh Xeo, 46A. I have not eaten yet, but you definitely want to come here. I can tell, you know, they say if it looks good, eat it. That's what Andrew Zimmern says. Let's go check it out. Look, y'all, this looks absolutely delicious. Once again, you got all of these letters here, and you have the basil there, and this, we're gonna check this out. It's hitting the table, right? But I'm not sweating that. And then you have like this pickled carrots, and I don't know what that is, cabbage? Okay, what they're naming them on the menu here is like, they're calling them Vietnamese crepes. First, I want to see what type of, is this vinegar base? No, it's not vinegar based, y'all. It's like salty and it's a little sweet. I don't know how to start off here, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna break right into this crepe. I'm gonna break into the crepe. I don't know how to get started, y'all. I want to show y'all inside. There's shrimps in there, there's sprouts inside. I don't know if y'all can see it, but let's break it open for y'all. Look at this, y'all. Look at those sprouts and shrimp all against the wall of this crepe, and there's some pork inside of there. It looks delicious. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. I'm about to break it, y'all. I just don't know how to do this properly. This is how we doing it. This is how we doing it. It's oily. It's oily. It's fresh. It's fresh. Delicious. Now I'm gonna put some of this sauce on it. Right here. This is so delicious. I don't know if I'm doing this right, y'all, but I'm gonna eat some lettuce just for the heck of it. I'm gonna mix it all up together. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't y'all laugh at me. We got some basil there. Got that basil. I'm about to break this basil off. I'm gonna get it. You know what? I'm gonna get this leaf right here. We're gonna work with this one right here, y'all. Let's check it out. Check it out. We're gonna put that basil on there. We're gonna cut it like that. And I'm just gonna take this piece here and break it. I don't know if you're supposed to do it like this. If you don't, this is the way I'm doing it. We're gonna just pound that on there right there. We're gonna curve that piece of green ends off, curve that piece of lettuce up. Hold up. I'm missing something. Oh, you want that sauce. Y'all thought this was a game. I thought this was too big, but it's perfect. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. In order to eat these correctly, you gotta use your Carolina forks, my opinion. Yo, that is it, man. Absolutely brilliant. There's a lot of greens left. I feel I should have ate more. These tastes and flavors, man, between this basil and the different type of lettuce on here was amazing. And look how crowded it is here, y'all. There are some tourists here, it's evident, but this is definitely a good spot. It's 110,000 dong. It was 110,000 dong for my meal, and we'll see what that comes to. We'll put it all on the screen, man, and help you guys out. And that's it. This your man, Matt TV. Let's go on to the next one. Peace. Yo, that's it. I've ate, I conquered. This was absolutely amazing. I love the food here. I love the vegetables here. I love the shrimp here. And it is very crowded here, man. Lots of people. Next time I come here, I am going to try the spring rolls. The shrimp spring rolls. The kitchen is going all day long. Just look, y'all. Oh, she just threw that bacon on there. These are not stoves. They are like barbecue pits. Oh, threw that shrimp on. That shrimp is already done though, too. That's good. And look at this, y'all. Look at the crepes right there. Banh Xeo. That's the Banh Xeo. I don't want to get too close. There are people back here in the kitchen working their aspirins off. Those grills are very hot. Oh, she just put some type of sauce in there. The onions are going on. Oh, that looks good. I want some of that. I just ate, y'all, and I still want some. Oh, what was that? You just do some like garlic. Oh, and the sprouts go on. That's gonna be one of them right there, y'all. She's hooking it up. We about to see the whole process. She about to bust some eggs up in there. Oh, right on top of it, just like that, huh? Oh wow. Oh my. Banh Xeo. Yeah, this is too cool. This is too cool, y'all. Oh, now she gonna put the pot on it. She got the pot. Yo, but you got those right there, the deep fried Johns. Y'all thought this was a game, but they're not playing. It's hot. Oh, she throwing some more wood on. Oh, she putting the wood on there. This is a barbecue for real. This is serious. There's no gas stoves here. They actually burning coal and wood, man. Oh yeah. All right, I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go. Come on. Nice. I like. All right, y'all. We about to walk down this little alleyway right here. Very popular tourist spot down here. It's called the Pink Choich. It is definitely something that the French left when they were here occupying. And it's funny how I heard one of the Vietnamese people tell me that when the colonizers was here, I said, we use that same terminology. That line that y'all see up there is that coffee spot that I visited. I don't know if y'all gonna see that before or after this video. Oh, well, there's at least a group of people, and I know they all went in there to have the coffee. Oh, there's a foot massage. I wanna go. Oh my God. Nice. I want a foot massage now, y'all. I'm the type of person, you show me something and then I want to get it, you know. Xin chao. So we're gonna go down here to the coffee joint. I'm not getting coffee, but that's where I'm gonna end this video. Right here. Oh, I like. This the coffee spot, y'all. Remember we were here and they have 3 stories right there. And everyone's getting a picture of the pink church right there. Oh, let me get out. Oh, there it is, the pink church. You cannot get in there anymore because a lot of tourists that came and crowded that joint out. But this is my coffee spot. You guys have probably seen it before. It's called Cafe. Cafe right there. Hey family, thanks for watching this episode. This wasn't my usually edited episode, but I just wanted to throw these pieces together for you guys. I absolutely enjoyed that Banh Xeo. Also, traveling isn't always about the big landmarks. Sometimes it's a sizzling pan, an old sewing machine in a dusty storefront, and a motorbike ride into the unknown. Thanks for hanging out with us, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Love you cats. Peace.